Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to find your wire transfer receipt details on Coinbase. First, open the Coinbase app and make sure you're logged in to your account. Next, tap the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Deposit. If you've made a previous deposits or transfers, you'll see your transaction history here. Tap on any of your deposits and a pop-up will appear. Choose Wire Transfer. This option is used for larger amounts with no transfer limits. Now you'll see your wire transfer received details, including your account name and account number. Make sure your account information matches your previous transactions for verification. And that's it. You've successfully found your Coinbase wire transfer received details. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.